Today we're going to unbox the Govee light bulbs, which we've got right here. These are Wi-Fi smart light bulbs, which means you can control them from your phone to turn them on or off, or change the color, or even dim these. They work with both Alexa and Google Home, which means you can control them with voice commands. So let's open these up and check these out. Now, what I like about these is not only can you control them from your phone or with voice commands with a voice assistant like Alexa, but you can also dim them so you can get the perfect lighting. They've got 800 lumens of light that they put out, and they run about 9 watts of electricity because they are LED light bulbs and they are energy efficient. So you can see here's what the Govee light bulb looks like. It's going to screw into your typical lamp or light socket, so no issues there. You can turn it on or off from your phone or with voice commands if you've got a compatible voice assistant, and then you can also change the colors. This one is a 4-pack, and then you can see if you just want a white light, soft white or bright white, or daylight white, you can make those changes right in the app. But if you want, let's say, like a blue light or a red light or a green light or whatever you want, you can change all those different colors. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Govee Wi-Fi smart light bulbs, and we hope to see you next time.